Did I mention that I am completely disguised as a police officer? Yes, indeed. There is a meaning behind this. I can't stand fucking Pigaliga Woobo Bob Copper Crime Stopper pussies. Okay? So if you are a law enforcement agent, please suck my fucking dick, mom. Otherwise known as the fucking penis. Okay, look here. In the following clip, there is someone singing. Now, shut up, listen closely. Enough of this shit. If you want to be this good, you have a lot of shit to go through, my fucking friend. Hakacha niwa puma kudu. Naya, listen. For a long fucking time, people thought that they could just pick up a fucking guitar and rock the motherfucker. But no, this is now known not to be true. If you live in the following countries: Zimbabwe, Colombia, or Canada, you are not exempt from thinking you are the best in the fucking world. Now, understand this one fucking lesson. Practice your fucking ass off. Practice your fucking ass off. Ass off. Jiggy, 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 ass off. Did I say enough ass offs? Ass offs. Please. This is your first lesson to a larger world.